In the complex world of financial management, especially for small businesses, freelancers, and individuals, finding the right accounting software can be a daunting task. There are myriad options available, each with its own set of features, complexities, and, perhaps most importantly, costs. Amidst these choices, GnuCash frequently pops up as a compelling alternative, largely due to a specific and highly attractive characteristic: its price tag. So, for anyone wondering, how much does GnuCash cost? The answer is refreshingly simple and consistently appealing. As an accounting software expert, I can state unequivocally, GnuCash costs absolutely nothing to download, install, and use. It is a completely free and open-source software. This is not a free trial that expires, nor is it a freemium model where essential features are locked behind a paywall. GnuCash offers its full functionality without any monetary cost to the user, now or ever. Understanding free in the context of GnuCash. To truly appreciate GnuCash's pricing model, or lack thereof, it's important to understand what free and open source truly means. Free as in freedom, and Free Beer GnuCash is licensed under the GNU General Public License, GPL. This means users have the freedom to run the program for any purpose, study how it works and adapt it to their needs, redistribute copies, and improve the program and release their improvements to the public. The free also extends to free beer. You don't pay money for it. Community-driven development. GnuCash is developed and maintained by a community of volunteers. These are programmers, accountants, and users who contribute their time and expertise to improve the software, fix bugs, and add new features. This collaborative approach is what keeps the software robust and up-to-date without a corporate funding model. No subscriptions, no licenses, no hidden fees. Unlike most commercial accounting software that operates on a monthly or annual subscription model, or requires a one-time purchase license, GnuCash has none of these. There are no pricing tiers, no pro versions, and no essential add-ons that you suddenly find you need to pay for. You download the software, install it on your computer, it's available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and you're good to go. The true costs, considerations, not cash outlays. While the monetary cost of GnuCash is zero, it's crucial for users to understand that free software often comes with other considerations, which some might perceive as costs in terms of time, effort, or potential indirect expenses. Learning curve. GnuCash uses a double-entry accounting system, which is the professional standard for bookkeeping. While this ensures accuracy and robust financial reporting, it can present a steeper learning curve for individuals or small business owners who have no prior accounting knowledge. Unlike some more simplified, cloud-based tools that abstract away much of the accounting backend, GnuCash requires a basic understanding of debits and credits, assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. The cost here is the time you'll invest in learning the software and basic accounting principles. However, this investment can pay off significantly in terms of financial literacy. No dedicated customer support. Since GnuCash is community-driven, there's no official customer support line you can call. If you encounter issues or have questions, you'll rely on online documentation. GnuCash has extensive documentation, including a comprehensive user manual and a wiki, community forums, and mailing lists. These are vibrant communities where users ask questions, share solutions, and help each other. While often very helpful, responses aren't guaranteed to be immediate. The cost here is the potential time spent searching for answers or waiting for community replies, rather than getting instant, personalized support. No cloud sync or multi-user access. Out-of-the-box GnuCash is primarily a desktop application, meaning your financial data is stored locally on your computer. It doesn't offer built-in cloud synchronization or multi-user access for collaborative work across different locations directly within the application. While you can store your GnuCash file in a cloud storage service, like Dropbox or Google Drive, and access it from multiple devices, you need to be very careful with file synchronization to avoid data corruption, especially if multiple people are trying to access it simultaneously. The cost is the lack of seamless multi-user collaboration and the need for manual backup management. No integrated payroll or advanced features. As discussed in a previous article, GnuCash does not have a native, automated payroll module. Similarly, it might lack highly specialized features found in industry-specific or more expensive ERP solutions, e.g., advanced inventory management for complex manufacturing, deep CRM integration. If your business requires these specialized features, you might need to use other software in conjunction with GnuCash, or consider a different, paid solution. The cost here is potentially needing other tools or more manual processes for certain business functions. Hardware requirements. While GnuCash is not resource-intensive, you do need a computer to run it. This isn't a direct cost of the software itself, but it's a foundational requirement that differs from cloud-only solutions accessible via web browser on any device. The value proposition. Despite these considerations, GnuCash offers incredible value, especially for individuals managing personal finances, budgeting, tracking expenses, managing investments, freelancers and solo entrepreneurs, invoicing, expense tracking, basic accounts receivable/payable, small businesses with straightforward accounting needs, managing income, expenses, bank reconciliations, and generating standard financial reports, users comfortable with self-learning and community support, those who are willing to invest time in understanding the software and leveraging online resources, those on a tight budget. GnuCash provides robust accounting features without any financial outlay.